Good day, everyone.
I'm going to teach you today how to make lapel rose, and the materials that we'll need are we need our scissors, we need our satin fabric, we need ruler, lapel pin. You can also use brooch pin. This is lapel pin. You can use brooch pin. We need our big 6,000 gum. You can also use our candle gum. We need our gas light and chalk with pearl. Let's get started. So I've measured my satin fabric, and the measurement is 10 inches by 2 inches. See it? 2 inches. 10 inches by 2 inches. So I cut it out. This is it. Then I fold it into two like this. I'll fold it like this. This edge, I don't want it to show, so I fold it in. Then I fold this into. Can you see it? Then I pick my like this. Then I pick my needle and thread and make a round stitch. So when I get to this edge, I fold this edge in. See it? Then I stitch I made. Then I just watch what I did. Then I tie it. Just tie the thread together. Use it. Make sure it's tight. I use my scissors to cut away the thread. And use it. Then I use my hand to adjust it. So you see this rough, all these ones, I don't want it. So I use my lighter to burn it in. This is, and this also, I use it to burn it in. Then what I will do next now is I'll pick my pin and I'll place it at this center. So I apply gum on my pearl and use it to cover these rough edges. The back, I can choose to put it, I can put this or I put this. So it depends on what you want. You can use either of the two. I'll just apply my gum at the back. Apply enough gum. Then I'll use it just to cover the rough edges. So I'll wait for it to dry. I've attached it to it and use it.